Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Eye Comfort, which is basically like a night mode. So yeah, and that's how it works. So you can switch this mode just by tapping on this button, and by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So in order to you to see it more clearly, I have to disable dark mode. And as you can see, like when I switch this feature, my screen became slightly yellow. You can also make it black and white. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select start time, end time, and yeah, that's how you can use it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.